for one, when we started this process, both of us had a lot of questions. We were aligned in the vision of what we wanted, which was a vehicle that stood out, that really showcased the capabilities of you and your team at Axleboy, and also gave some of your suppliers an opportunity to showcase their equipment.
Absolutely.
And all things COVID aside, I can't be happier with the way everything turned out.
Oh, absolutely.
And this is a year that a lot more people are going to get to see it that didn't get to see it in 2020. And it's really brought me and my family a lot of joy. Even if we're just driving around downtown and seeing people smile and wave, it is a fun vehicle, and I think it represents not only the Jeep lifestyle, but the Axleboy lifestyle. It's about having fun, but it's also about high quality and doing things right.
I think one of the nicest features about the project was that how versatile it really is, because you can off-road, you can go camping, you can drive it every day, you can go to the hardware store, like you can pick up stuff, you can do things. It's probably one of the most versatile vehicles we've built.
Absolutely. And boy, is it a lot of fun.
It is, and that's the favorite part about it.
I thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.